All right, good morning. There we go. All right, good morning, everybody. It is November 24th, so I'm able to trade a little bit this morning for a little while. Not too long of a day, but I will have a little bit of time here. So we have TWOU wanting to give us a trade, I think, 34.14.84. So we're looking roughly at 30 cents, it looks like. So pull up the calculator. 30 cents, 66 shares. 66, enter. All right, so in about 20 seconds, we'll go ahead and get in. Okay, 3, 2, 1, short. Short, why are you not buying it? All right, I'm not sure what's happening right now. So that was Tom. Like, I should have filled me way up here at 33.75. So I lost 15 cents on that fill. That's not cool, not cool, Thinkorswim. So because of that loss on that fill, I basically, got in right here halfway to, that's how it is. All right. Anyway, not going to complain about it. So my stop right now is 34.07. So we're basically at the target. So I'll move my stop down to break even based on the algorithm, not this terrible fill that I got. I'm pretty sure I hit buy before this candle closed. That's why I say that. If I didn't, then I was buying the open of the next candle, so it gapped down. All right, so 39 it's showing. Okay, there we go. That's good. All right, so that's, again, it's the bid is popping down there. If it does that again, I'm just going to bounce out of this. Go ahead, do that again, and I'm going to jump out of you. I'm going to hit flatten and get out, because the ask right now is at 33.39, which is our target. So we just didn't get a full trade because we got in on the gap. 33.13. All right, so I think I'm just going to get out here, actually. Flatten. Yeah, I'm just getting out. I don't like the way this thing's acting. All right, so I got my 20 bucks. So all good. So at least we got our 20. This is really, it's just really gappy, and like the spread is insane. It's closing down to like a 10-cent spread, then opening up to like a 40-cent spread, and most of the movement looks like it's happening in the spread. It's just, yeah, I'm not feeling this movement here. It's really wonky. So we're out, but we got our 20. So now we can, take another thing on the scaling chart. Let's go do it right now, actually. Let's just do it. Scaling chart. All right, so we're going to move our 4 to there and get another green bar. All right, so now we're back within 4 of moving up to our next level. So a couple more trades today, and we might be able to start next week in the scaled up position. So we'll see what happens. All right, so here we are with CVS on a modified play. The first one, TWOU, is on a normal day trading strategy. This is modified right now for CVS. So we're looking at 67.81, 68.11, 81, so about 30 cents roughly. So pull up the calculator, punch in 30 cents, 66 shares. Enter. All right, so in about 30 seconds, we're going to jump in short here on CVS. Okay, in 5, 4, 3, 2, going in before the candle opens. Mark it up. All right, so we got about 10 seconds left. I'm going to add my position here in about 10 seconds, not even 5 seconds. And then I'll put my other stop right there. So in 3, 2, short, and then stop. All right, so now I got my stops in right there. If this is gonna boost, you know, I would give away an extra couple dollars, literally an extra couple dollars, when it could have been a really nice potential winner. So you can see, you know, the stop is right on the edge. So we'll see what happens here. Right here, we're pretty much in the stop, just hasn't triggered. All right, there goes one stop. And there goes the other one. So we're out. We're out with a $27 loss. So even with that little ad, I think I may have miscalculated my math when I put it into the calculator. The calculator is correct. I just probably put in a little bit wrong number there, because that's a little bit more than I thought it would be given away on that trade. So anyway, that's how it is. So $27 loss on that one. And we'll be back if we get any more trades. We got one more potential on the board, but it doesn't look like it's setting up. So I'm not going to be here that much longer. So we may not trade it. We'll see what happens. Okay, so actually with CVS here, I wasn't quite paying attention. I could speed bump this trade, but I missed the move already a little bit. I could have speed bumped right at the stop, but just in case it pulls back, I'm going to go ahead and draw my, my speed bump lines. I don't know that I'm going to. I might just call it a day. We'll see here. Buy. So there we go. So I waited for the pullback. Now we got in at the same place we got out. This does look like a good potential speed bump play, even though I know a lot of you are like, no, it's double topping. What are you doing? It's going to go down. But yeah, that's how it works. All right, so I accidentally got out here when I was looking to drag my my stop up, and I jumped back in. So here we are, making back a nice $7 here. So I think I'm gonna, this candle closes, maybe looking at putting a stop in just below it. So got 3 minutes. I'm gonna give it a chance to run. It's on a breakout. So it could break out and it could be a false breakout and sell off. It could come back and test this breakout level before going back up, or it could just keep running. Like, so many things could happen. But the purpose of a speed bump is just to get a little more money back out of the trade. And we're definitely getting that. So we'll probably be looking to get out here soon, or at least put a stop in and trail it. All right, you can see on level 2 that 124 that keeps popping up there. That is a lot of resistance that it would have to get through to get past that. I'm going to just go ahead and flatten my position right here. All right, cool. So that we reduced our loss now down to 20 bucks. So that works out pretty good. All right, so we have, yeah, if it does get past that, this thing could really start running big time, but I won't be a part of it. So we took a loss of 2011 there, and then our TWOU, we made 2071. So because I don't have commissions to deal with, I'm able to be green right now by like 60 cents. So a really tiny green day, but that did mess up our scaling thing. So let's go back over here. All right, we'll take it away. So we're back where we started, basically. All right, so we'll see if this other trade sets up. It doesn't look like it's going to set up, actually. I think I'm just going to call it a day. It looks really far away from setting up. So I'm going to call it a day right here, I think. And then Roku, let's look at that real quick. So Roku was a swing trade that I had alerted out a few days ago. So look at that thing that worked. This is a different algorithm. I don't use this algorithm you're looking at here for swing trading. But it's still marked up from the other algorithm. So our entry, and right there, pink, exit Roku. Thank you. Have a nice day. Yep, if you exited yesterday because going into the holiday weekend and all that stuff, great, making money. And if you hit the target today, even better. So there you go. There's Roku, and then the other one that we had swing trading was Tesla. And there we are on Tesla. So that was our entry. Again, different algorithm for swing trading. This is our entry right here. And then look at that. Boom. So either you got out yesterday trying to just be going into a long weekend green, or you waited for the proper algorithm price and you got a nice gap up today with some bonus money. So very, very nice. Awesome. All right, everybody. I'm just going to shut it down, and then we'll see you guys on probably Monday of next week. I don't think I'm trading tomorrow. So Monday next week is when I plan on being back. All right, everybody. Have an awesome Thanksgiving.